gonna like do the chili challenge. Here's my chili, and I'm gonna put it all in my mouth at once, and I'm gonna eat it. Okay. I haven't got a spicy taste bud, so this might be shocking. Whatever.
Eat it, Louise. Fucking ate the whole thing. I ain't giving you the water, you know. I'm joking, I will. Mine still fucking burns. I thought it was actually going to take you to eat. This is Louise. Is that vomit? And here's the water she's not getting. Louise. Oh, go. Do you want some water?
Yes.
You're not getting any. No, I'm joking. Here you go, bitch.
I want another. I'm gonna try the
Here's
green
the
one.
proof that this is real chilies. Chilies from the co-op. I hope I can eat it, bitch. Just waste my battery. Shit, dude. I don't want to tread in your vomit. Say Hagrid. This is Louise throwing up, guys. And this is her vomit. That's her green chili vomit. And that's her throwing up too. Some water. I feel ill.
Spicy.
I'm gonna stop filming you now. My battery's gonna go. Bye, Louise.